On Monday morning, we woke up to an unfortunate surprise that our hot water tank pressure relief valve had failed. And there was water all over the downstairs floor. We had to rip out the flooring. We had to throw the rugs away. So today I'm going to be taking a look at a new rug. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video, not knowing what would happen to us on Monday, but I'm very, very grateful for it. In this video, I am going to give you my honest opinion on this rug. I can already tell you that it's very soft and there is no odor. And hopefully it will make the time between now and when we get new flooring a little bit more bearable.
The rug is very soft and the colors are neutral, meaning that it will go with any style decor. You can see what it looks like with black furniture on the right. And then here we have the brown couch in the front. So this really is a very versatile rug in terms of color scheme. I do love the patterns on it. They're really random, almost like paint splotches all over a canvas. I also love how it has a non-slip backing and it's machine washable, but you will need a large washer.